Welcome back to the FreeCAD tutorial series. In the last video, we covered the basics of sketching and constraints. Now we're diving deeper into advanced constraints, dimensions, and parametric sketching. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create complex sketches with fully parametric control. Let's get started. In FreeCAD, constraints are the key to making your sketches predictable and modifiable. Let's explore some advanced constraints. Symmetry constraint. This constraint ensures 2 points or shapes are symmetrical around a reference axis. Select 2 points and a center line, then click Symmetry constraint. Tangency constraint. Used when working with curves, this makes a line tangent to an arc or circle. Select a line and a circle, then apply the tangency constraint. Fixing points and geometry. You can lock a point or an entire shape in place by using the Fix constraint. Using these constraints, we can build more controlled and precise sketches. Now let's add dimensional constraints to define exact sizes and relationships in our sketch. 1. Length constraint. Set the length of a line by selecting it and entering a value. 2. Angle constraint. Set the angle between two lines by selecting them and specifying an angle. 3. Radius and diameter constraints. Apply these to circles and arcs to control their size precisely. Combining geometric and dimensional constraints results in a fully defined sketch. A fully constrained sketch turns green, indicating it is complete. Before we wrap up, here are some best practices for efficient parametric sketching. 1. Minimize unnecessary constraints. Over-constraining a sketch can cause errors. Use only the necessary constraints. 2. Use symmetry when possible. Symmetrical sketches reduce the number of constraints needed. 3. Fully constrain your sketches. Always aim for a green sketch before proceeding to 3D modeling. 4. Use variables for flexibility. Naming constraints and using expressions makes models easier to modify. Following these tips will make your FreeCAD workflow much smoother. And that's an introduction to advanced constraints, dimensions, and parametric sketching in FreeCAD. With these skills, you can create precise, flexible sketches ready for 3D modeling. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Have any questions or ideas for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next lesson.